Let's do some verb juggling and accelerate your fluency. Ausfallen is to be cancelled or to fall out. Ausfallen. How would you say it is cancelled? Es fällt aus. So in German, it's not a passive structure, it's an active structure. Es fällt aus. It falls out. In English, it's a passive structure. It is cancelled. So just for the purpose of learning the German structure, I will not use to be cancelled, but to fall out in English, so that you have a better understanding how it is structured in German. So how would you say it falls out? Es fällt aus. Yeah, it falls out. So the meaning is like it's cancelled. It falls out. Es fällt aus. How would you say the meeting falls out? Die Besprechung fällt aus. How would you say the meeting falls out today? Die Besprechung fällt heute aus. So you see, aus is a separable prefix and it's kicked to the end. So using to fall out, it's very similar to English, to fall out. There we have also two parts. In German it's actually one verb, ausfallen, but when conjugated, the prefix aus is separated and kicked to the end. Die Besprechung fällt heute aus. How would you say, today the meeting falls out? Heute fällt die Besprechung aus. Keep in mind, no matter if you start with today or a temporal indication or local indication, the verb in German is fixed at the second position always. So we say in German, today falls the meeting out. Heute fällt die Besprechung aus. How would you say, tomorrow the meeting falls out? Morgen fällt die Besprechung aus. How would you say on Monday the meeting falls out? Am Montag fällt die Besprechung aus. How would you say on Friday the meeting doesn't fall out? Am Freitag fällt die Besprechung nicht aus. How would you say, when does the meeting fall out? Wann fällt die Besprechung aus? How would you say, why does the meeting fall out? Warum fällt die Besprechung aus? How would you say it in the past? How would you say it has fallen out? Es ist ausgefallen. You see, ausfallen is a verb that requires sein to build the past. Es ist ausgefallen. It expresses a change of state. Something was scheduled and then it was cancelled. It changed the state. And most of the verbs that express a change of state in German will build the past with the auxiliary verb sein instead of haben. So es ist ausgefallen. And ausgefallen is the participle. You see, it's a separable verb. The G slips in between. Ausgefallen. Es ist ausgefallen. It was cancelled, or it has fallen out. How would you say, why has the meeting fallen out? Warum ist die Besprechung ausgefallen? How would you say the meeting fell out yesterday? Die Besprechung ist gestern ausgefallen. How would you say yesterday the meeting fell out? Gestern ist die Besprechung ausgefallen. Here the same. Gestern, first position. Ist, the verb, at the second position, the auxiliary verb ist. And the participle, the second verb, kicked to the very end. Gestern ist die Besprechung ausgefallen. Yesterday, the meeting was cancelled. How would you say on Monday, the meeting was cancelled? Am Montag ist die Besprechung ausgefallen. How would you say on Tuesday, the meeting was not cancelled? Am Dienstag ist die Besprechung nicht ausgefallen. How would you say, why was the meeting cancelled? Warum ist die Besprechung ausgefallen? How would you say, why wasn't the meeting cancelled? Warum ist die Besprechung nicht ausgefallen? Great! Next time we'll go through the verb einreichen, to submit. Einreichen, to submit. Like when you say, I submitted my job application. So here's what I want you to do now. Take this verb now and juggle it around. Build just 3 simple sentences, saying them out loud. Just 3 simple sentences. This will take you just 1 minute. In the next episode, you'll hear my take on this verb. So talk to you soon. Bis bald. Are you a busy professional who neither has the time, nor the patience, nor the energy to attend traditional language school classes at night or weekends? Then you're in the right place. Click the link in the description below and get my free German podcast course that will help you boost your confidence in speaking in less than 3 months, spending just 10 minutes a day while commuting to work.